In this video, we will learn about Python strings, string slicing in Python, and also string functions. In Python, we know that strings are arrays of bytes, it representing Unicode characters. A single character in Python is a string with a length of 1. If you want to access an element, you can use square brackets. Here is an example. There is a string good morning, then a star character is there. So total good 4 characters, there is a space, 5th character, then MORNING, 5 plus 7 12, and a star, 13 characters are there. And if you want to access a character, we can use the index of the string. This is very similar to the other languages, so there is no difference between other high level languages and Python. So any character can be accessed using the index of the character. Also, we can access more than one character using the syntax inside the square brackets. Negative indexing is also supported in Python, where we can access the last character of the string using -1 and the second last character using the -2, third -3, like that. So any character or character set or group of characters can be accessed very easily in Python. So in this example, you can see G is the first character, it is at the position 0, then O, first position, first index, up to index 12, so total 13 characters. The last one is star. So in the example here, the string is introduced, hello string 1 is equal to good morning, then it is printed. The output you can see good morning, star is printed. Then in the next line, first character of a string is printed, then print hello string 1 zeroth index, that is first character is printed, that is G. Then the last character of the string is also printed. Here hello string 1 -1, the minus indexing is used and it is printed. It is the value of the character star. So in this way we can easily access any index character from a string. We can use string slicing in Python using two different methods. The first one is similar to other languages. We can access a range of characters in the string using the slicing operator. Which is the slicing operator? Colon. So using a colon operator, we can access a range of characters. The second method is there is a slice functions which returns a slice object, and that can be used to slice the strings. It can be used also in the other data types, lists and tuples. So that is also useful. That constructor can be used to easily access the characters in the string. So now we will see how we can use a slicing operator colon. This is the example for the slicing operator colon to access a set of characters from a string. Here the string is defined as hello string 1 is equal to good morning, then it is printed, then in the next line hello string 1 2 colon 3. That means we can access the characters from the position 2, that is 0 1 2. O is accessed, then to position 3. 2 to the position 3 means the third character is not included. So when we specify access 2 colon 3 means the position 3 is not included, only one character is printed, and that you can see in the result. Similarly, hello string 1 colon -1 will access from the first index 1 to the second last character, because -1 is specified, so that is not included. Till the second last character the string will be printed. So in this way we can easily slice an string. Now we will see the second method of string slicing in Python. We can use a slice function that returns the slice objects, and that can be used to slice a string in Python. This is the syntax of slice function: slice start, then second argument stop, then we can specify a step. So start, stop and step arguments is used to slice a string. So there are three parameters. The first one is start, but you can see that is optional. The second one is stop, that is a must parameter, you have to give it, otherwise it will display error message. The third one is step, that is also optional. So the start and step is optional, stop you have to give. In this example, hello string is defined as good morning, and it contains the characters from G to star. Out of this string, if you want to slice a part of the string, we can use slice of 3. That means it contains the index 0 1 2. So GOO is printed in the output, and actually when we declare result 1 is equal to slice of 3, it is the object that is printed in the 6th line. So you can see slice none, because only one parameter is specified. So first and third parameter is none in this case. So stop is specified, but the starting and the step is not specified. That is the result slice none comma 3 comma none. Then printed means print result 1 GOO is printed. Then print hello string result 1. So that is printed. Then another example where we give indexes from 1 to 5. So result 2 is equal to slice 1 comma 5 comma 2. So stop equal to 5 and starting is equal to 1. That means in the string first character G, second character O, third character O, fourth character D, and the fifth character M. So out of good morning, GOODM is sliced. Then step parameter 2 is used. So in the result you can see O is printed. Step 2 is used, so O is second character is printed. Then D is printed. So in this way we can specify the index using start and stop and step the third argument of the class function. So we can use both ways to print or slice a string in Python. First one is the index and the second one is slice function. String literals in Python are surrounded by either single quotation marks or double quotation marks. We can use either single quotation or double quotation when you use a print function. You can display a string using a print function. Example is print hello. You can assign to a variable by using a variable in the left hand side of the line. Here a is equal to hello and print a means hello will be printed in the screen. You can assign a multi-line string to a variable by using 3 quotes. In the example a is equal to, when 3 double quotes is used, then the multi-line variable is typed in 5 different lines. Then in the end again 3 quotes are used. When we print it, the result will be printed. We can find the length of a string using the len function. For example, a is equal to hello world. When we use len, we can display the length of the string hello world. Now we will see the string functions or methods used in Python. It is a long list. More than 40 methods are used in Python for various string manipulation. We can do lot of things very easily in Python using these methods. Is identifier, is lower, is numeric, is printable, is space, is title, is upper, join, adjust, lower, lstrip, make, trans, partition, replace, r5, r index, then replace r5, r index, r start, partition, r split, r strip, split, split line, start with strip, uppercase, title, translate, upper, set fill. We will see how all these methods are going to use in Python. Some of the important one we can see. The first one is capitalize. We can convert the first character to uppercase using the capitalize method. The second one is case fold. We can convert a string into lowercase using a case fold method. Sender is used to return a sended string. Fourth one is count. It returns the number of times a specified value occurs in a string. Encode returns an encoded version of the string. Ends with is used either true or false. It returns true if the string ends with a specified value. Expand tab is used to set the tab size of the string. Find is used to search the string for a specified value, and it also returns the position. Format and format map. Both methods are used to format the values in a string. Index, it is search the string for a specified value, and it also returns the position. It is very similar to the find method, so both are used to search the string. Is alnum. If all the characters in the string are alphanumeric, it returns true, and is alpha. If all the characters are alphabet, it returns true, and if the characters in the string are all decimals, it is decimal, it will true. If the characters in the string are all digits, then it returns true. For that purpose, isDigit method is used. So is alnum, is alpha, is decimal, and is digit all return true or false. Depends upon whether it is alphanumeric, alpha, decimals, or digits. Is identifier returns true if the string is an identifier. Is lower method returns true if all characters in the strings are lowercase. Is numeric return true if all the characters in the string are numeric. Like that, is printable is also returns true if all the strings are printable. Is space returns true if the characters in the string are white spaces. Is title returns true if the string follows the rules of a title. Is upper is similar to is lower. It returns if the string character in the string are uppercase. Join joins the elements. Is ljust returns a left justified version of the string. We can move the or left will be moved by using the left justified version of the string. Lower converts to strong into lowercase. Lstrip returns a left trim version of the string. So left justified is there, ljust. Lstrip is for the left trim version of the string. Make trans returns a translation table to be used in translations. Partition returns a string where the string is parted into 3 parts. Replace returns the string whether a specified value is replaced with a specified value. R find search the string for a specified value. and returns the last position of where it was found. R index searches the string for a specified value and returns the last position of where it was found. Replace returns a string where a specified value is replaced with a specified value. This is very useful. We can easily specify some values and you can replace it with replace method. rFind searches the string for a specified value and returns the last position. rIndex, it also searches the string and it also returns the last position of where it was found. rJust returns the right justified version like the left justified. There is a rJust for right justified version. We have also a right stripped version, right trim version. That rstrip function is used for that purpose. So right justified and right trim versions are there, like the left versions. rPartition returns a tuple where the string is parted into 3 parts. rSplit split the string at the specified separator and returns a list. Split splits the string at a specified separator. Split lines split the string at line breaks and returns a list. Starts with returns true if the string starts with a specified value. Strip returns a trimmed version of the string. Swap case is used like lower and upper. That means it lower will be changed to upper and upper will be changed to lower. For that purpose, swap case is used. Title converts the first character of each word to uppercase. Translate returns a translated string. Upper converts the string into uppercase, and setFill fills the string with a specified number of 0 value at the beginning. So more than 40 functions are there. Some examples we can now try. In this example, you can see the strip function is used to trim the string. Both sides of the string white spaces are removed and that string is displayed. In this example, the lower method is used to convert all the characters inside the string to lowercase. Hello world is changed to hello world with all characters are now lowercase. Here upper method is used to convert a string to uppercase. Hello world is printed with all the characters are now uppercase. In this example, replace method is used to change one string with another string. In second line, the string hello world, hello is changed to good, so good world is printed. In the third line, world string is changed to morning, so hello morning is displayed. In this way we can change a particular part of the string or substring with another substring. This is very useful where we can change a part of the page. We can replace it with another word In this example, split method is used. It is used with a separator. Here comma separator is used, so a dot split inside the argument separator is used as comma. So a is equal to hello comma world, that means hello will be separated and world is another string. So it will return a list with hello as the first item and world is the second item. So we can split a string into different items in a list. This is another example with the split function. We have hello world 1, 2 and each item is separated by comma. So when we use comma, 4 items are now in the list: hello world 1 and 2. This is also a very useful function. Other than methods, we can also use some other keywords to manipulate the string. We can check whether a certain phrase or character is present in a string. In that case, we can use in, or we can use not in. When we use in, that character or phrase will be checked with the given string. If it is there, it will return true, otherwise false. In this example, a string is declared as good morning, hello, this is good. Then in the second line, x equal to we. In text means we phrase is tested in the first line string. Since we is not there in the string, x will be returned false, and that is printed. In the fourth line, again hello substring is tested in the string. You can see hello is there, so it is printed as true. In the same way, not in can also be used. The usage is almost same. The next one is string concatenation. We can concatenate two strings with a plus operator. In this example, a is equal to hello and there is a space after hello. B is equal to world. And in the third line, C is equal to A plus B, and that string is printed. So you can see in the result, hello world is printed. We can also combine numbers and strings using format methods. In this example, there is a number y is equal to 2020. There is a string txt. and inside the string, two opening brace and closing braces are used. So in the year, and that curling braces will be replaced by 2020, and we use a format method. So when we print it txt.format y, that value will be inserted into the string and that will be displayed in the screen. So you can see in the year 2020 coronavirus started spreading. So in this way we can insert different numbers into different positions of a string. It is very useful in Python language, where we can see many situations will arise where we have to mix strings and numbers. In this example, two numbers are combined with string. The first line, there is a number age is equal to 7, another integer CLI is equal to 2. First one is meant for age, second one is meant for class, and the third one, a string biodata is introduced. Inside it we typed my name is Srinidhi and I am. The first index is used, then years old I am studying in, and second index 1 is used, then completed the string. When we print it, we take the string biodata, then use the function format, then we use the first age is inserted into the string, then the second number is also inserted into the string. When it is printed, you can see my name is Srinidhi, I am 7 years old, I am studying in second standard. So in this way we can combine different, more than one numbers into a string. Another thing in Python string is the different characters that is used for different purposes. For example, escape character is there. Some characters are illegal in a string, so we cannot use those characters inside a string. For that purpose, we can use an escape character. An escape character is a backslash followed by the character you want to insert. It is illegal to use double quote inside a string, so we can use escape character to do this. We can use double quote inside a string that is surrounded by double quotes. In this example, the escape character help you to use double quotes inside a string, which is not allowed normally. We can see in the example, I am from, then use the backslash character, escape character, then we printed India, then backslash character. So in the result you can see I am from, then double quotes India. So this is also very useful in Python. So you have to type the character that is not allowed in the string after the backslash. Here 2 times we used it. So first time after a backslash we use the double quotes, then after India we use the backslash, then we printed the disallowed character double quotes. These are the other escape characters used in Python. Slash single quote means single quote. Then backslash is used. Then new line is used. Carriage return is used. Tab, backspace, form speed, octal value, hex value. So all these escape characters we can use inside a string using the escape character. So these are the not allowed characters inside a string, but using a escape character we can make use of all these characters inside a string. So these are the string function and escape characters. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This was an introduction about strings, and you also see string slicing and string functions in this video.